Hello students. Today we are going to learn a monologue. Monologue given by a honeybee. Have you seen honeybees flitter from flower to flower, or a honeycomb at the top of the tree or a building? Today we are going to learn more about a busy bee in lesson number 8. A honeybee speaks. In this lesson, we will learn that honeybees are the busiest creature in the world. They live in a colony and work throughout of their lives. They provide us honey and wax, which is widely used in medicine and beauty products. Lesson number 8. A honeybee speaks. A monologue. Monologue means a long speech given by one person. And here it is a creature, honeybee, who is speaking with us. Okay? What? Me, a lazy bee. You think I simply have fun all day among the flowers? Oh no. When I am flitting from flower to flower, I am actually very hard at work, and that's why I am called not a lazy bee but a busy bee. Come, I will show you my house and tell you what a lot of work we bees do all our life. My house is called a honeycomb. It's a big house with thousands of rooms and shelves. Each room has 6 equal sides. We take a lot of care to build it. We even produce the material for building the comb. It's called beeswax. So students, here Bees is telling us that their house is called as a honeycomb. It is big house with thousands of rooms and shelves. Each room has 6 equal sides. They even produce the material which is used to build their house, and that material is called beeswax. Do you know, when I was very young, I used to stay at home, but even then I had to do a lot of work. I had to look after the larvae, the babies that would grow into bees. I had to feed them and protect them. If anyone come near our comb to disturb it, I was ready with my weapon, a sting. I am not only a worker, I am also a soldier. Beware, don't trouble me. So students, your bees is telling that from their young age, they are working very hard. Even though they are staying at home, they have to do lots of work. They have to look after the larva. Larva means a small baby which would grow into bees. They have to look after the larvae, feed them and protect them. They are not only a worker but also a soldier. If anyone come near their comb, they will attack with the sting to protect their house. Sting means a small sharp pointed organ. Well, to go back to the comb, I had to keep the comb cool by fanning it with my wings. Then I had to keep the house in order, put away all the honey and food that other bees brought from the flowers. But luckily, I had hundreds of other bees working with me. We all work together without ever fighting. That's one reason why we can build such perfect and beautiful houses. So, here bees is telling us that after returning home, they had to keep combing their house cool by fanning with their wings. They keep their house in order by putting away all honey and food collected from other bees. They work together without ever fighting. They never fight with each other. They are busy with their work and they are doing perfect thing at the right time. They are not fighting so they can do all their work perfectly and beautifully. Yes, I help with their house building too. I keep making our house bigger and bigger to make room for the babies and for the food and honey we gathered. When I become older, I begin to fly out of the comb to gather nectar. I take the nectar and pollen from flowers and carry them back to the comb. Nectar is the sweet juice in flowers, and pollen is the yellow powdery stuff you see on flowers. I visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting even a single moment. The nectar from the flowers is too thin. We bees turn it into the sweet thick honey that you like. It's only because you called me a lazy bee that I stopped and explained it all to you. Otherwise, I have not a moment to lose. Bye. Hmm. Hmm. So, students, here Bees is telling us that they began to fly out of the comb to gather nectar as they become older. As they grow up, they have to go out of their comb to collect nectar. Nectar means a nectar means a sweet juice from the flowers. They carry nectar and pollen. Pollen means a yellow powdery stuff on the flower. A yellow powdery stuff on the flower. Nectar is a sweet juice in flower and the yellow powdery stuff is called as pollen. Nectar is too thin when they collect from the flower, but the bees turn it into sweet, thick honey, which we like and we all buy from the market. So, at last, bees is telling not wasting their an single moment any time, but as they are called as a lazy bee, it was telling us that they are not lazy but every time busy and they are the busiest creature in the world. Thank you.